Looking for a Colonial close to the beach in the heart of Sayville? Stop scrolling. It's right here. This 4-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom Colonial has all the charm of the old world with all of the updates the modern buyer is looking for. Central air, roof, windows, flooring, and plenty of storage. The location of this house also could not be more perfect. We're less than 5 minutes from the Great South Bay Marina, just a few miles from the Fire Island Ferry. And the best part, all of this comes with no flood insurance required. This weekend, we are inviting guests to experience all of the charm that this house has to offer and the beach community it comes along with. Can't make the open house? Message me the word beach and we'll get you in for your private showing. I hope I see you here.